Today we're at Brighton. Well, actually, to say it better, we're at Mount Brighton. This is my first time riding here, and it is my first time riding my new board. I couldn't be happier with my new setup, and I'm so excited to try every single run that this place has to offer. Let's go. The hill's in great condition right now. Like, there's plenty of snow here on every single run so far. I think that's what makes a place like this so much fun, is since they have so many different spots, you don't feel like you're just going up and down to the same spot every day. You make a run, move on to the next one, make a run, move on to the next one. And really, there's a lot of terrain to get to if you go to each spot.
Wonder which one's better.
That little Barter Cross race area was the most fun. Hitting that curve, there's like the two big turns.
Yeah.
Trying to go up high. Did you?
Yeah.
Because then there's a third right in the middle too.
No, that's the one I missed.
Gotcha.
So I was like, is that a jump? Like, what am I even? Get some speed through those.
Yeah. All right. Let's go into the lodge, and then we're gonna get lunch, and then we're gonna get back out onto the hill. Let's go all the way down to the back side of the hill now.
Such a good time today. It's like perfect conditions. I love it.
That's 5 hours of continuous riding with only a little stop for lunch. The fun thing about this is the amount of runs. I know I said that at the beginning, but that's really what makes it fun. You get to explore the entire area, and you don't have to just keep riding the same spot over and over again. You can keep jumping to different spots on the hill. I'm pumped about my new gear. It's fun riding a new hill, and I'm gonna say, till next time, cheers.